Hey everybody, this is Craig coming at you from Richmond, Virginia. I'm down here in beautiful Bird Park at a very scenic Fountain Lake, which you can see behind me. Very pretty. Unfortunately, the fountains aren't going today, but that's all right. It's still very pretty around here. We got a beautiful fall day going, and it's one of the last days of the season to really get a good, scenic, comfortable ride in. So I thought I'd come out and make a quick video. Haven't done one in a while. Today I'm gonna focus on my new, to me, Corbin seat. So let's take a look at it, huh? And here it is. You know, I've been riding for several decades now, and it never occurred to me to put any other seat on besides what came with the bike. And I just always thought that whatever came with the bike was what you rode on. But recently I realized that a lot of people replace their stock seats with Corbins or some other aftermarket seat. And it started raising my curiosity about different bike seats. And so when I first saw the Corbin, I really thought that it looked like the underbelly of a whale. You see the stitching, how it just kind of looks like the whale's contours. To me, it really looks like a humpback whale's underbelly. But as time has gone on, you know, originally I thought it was really an ugly seat, but now I think it's really attractive. And the opportunity came up for me to buy one on the used market on our forum for the Valkyrie, and yeah, I thought I could, you know, for half price of the original cost, I thought I'd take a chance on it. So I bought this one for 600 bucks from a guy on the forum, and I want to thank Dan for selling it to me. And here you can see the lettering on the side. I just think it's gorgeous. Now, I'm really happy with it. Dan sold it to me because he didn't feel it was comfortable. I guess to each his own, because I find this thing incredibly comfortable, much more so than stock. And the beauty of it is the stock seat requires 4 bolts. There's 2 right here, and then there were 2 right up here where the driver's seat was. This one, because it's a unipiece seat, requires only these 2 bolts, and it hooks in to a hook that's mounted on the tank. So it's really easy to get on and get off. And unlike the old seat, which you had to pry back to get access to these bolts, this one you just drop right in and it's there for you. I am just thrilled with this seat. This is not a Corbin backrest. This is an aftermarket one that the guy who sold it to me bought, and I'll have to say it is very comfortable as well. I don't know what I'd do without a backrest. The seat had only one little scuff mark on it, which is right there. Who cares, right? You know, you ride a bike, you're going to get scuffs and scratches and what have you. But I am just thrilled with this seat. It's so comfortable. It's beautiful. I've read various articles about them, and I've seen videos of how Corbin makes their seats. It's just a remarkable process of everything, each step in the way. They custom make their own foam. It's a liquid that they pour into a mold, and all the stitching is hand done on a sewing machine, of course. And you know, it's just high quality materials, high quality workmanship, and just American craftsmanship. So I don't know if you're riding this motorcycle. Hi. If you're riding this motorcycle and you don't like the stock seat, I would highly recommend this Corbin. It's called a dual tour seat. It'll cost you about roughly $1,200 from the factory, unless you can get a used one. But I've just been thrilled with it. Like I say, I never considered even the thought of getting another seat. But I'll have to say the stock seat on this motorcycle is not real comfortable. This one really takes it another step. It's wider, gives you more support in your butt, and there's harder foam in it, so it doesn't compress like that on the stock seat. You know, years ago I was talking to a guy at work who rode a Honda VTX 1800, and he had spent $1,000 for a Corbin on his seat at the time, and I told him he was out of his mind spending that kind of money on a seat when the bike came with a perfectly good one. And he said, well, if you put the miles in like I do, you'd understand. Well, you know what? I understand. So anyway, I just wanted to do this quick video and praise the merits of Corbin. And again, if you're a Valkyrie owner and you don't like the stock seat, this is the seat to get, in my opinion. I don't have a lot of miles on it yet, but right out of the box, man, I'm just thrilled with it. Anyway, I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, especially my good buddies Dan Lockhart, Big Smitty, Salty, and of course Elvis Boy from Into the Sunset. And I'll put links to all their channels in the subtext below. You guys, I really appreciate you. I can't say it enough. So that's about it for today. I'm going to sign off and go for a quick ride around town and head back home. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.